Hello and welcome. I'm glad that you can join me. We're here today to take a look at the rank the evidence strategy. This is a terrific strategy to use to evaluate argumentative and persuasive writing. For this strategy, you'll need a partner. Pick someone that you trust, that will be honest with you, and will be able to give you strong feedback. You'll be giving each other feedback, so remember, be kind, but be honest. Together, you'll be able to figure out the strength of the evidence that you use in your writing. There are 3 steps to this strategy. The first is drafting a mini argument. So you might have already drafted mini arguments to help you draft your paper. What you'll be doing is you'll draft a claim or a point, and you'll identify 2 to 4 pieces of evidence to support that claim. And then what you'll do is you flesh it out and write that argument. Now, here's where you get your partner. And what you're going to do is swap drafts. You'll read each other's mini arguments. And then you'll give each other feedbacks. You'll take turns and you'll rate each piece of evidence based on the evidence's logical connection and relevance to the claim, the quality of that evidence, so was it from a scholarly source and is research-based, or is it an anecdote? You're going to rate the evidence based on the quality, on how that evidence is discussed and elaborated upon. So does the author explain why that evidence supports the claim? And you could use a 4-point scale. Is the mini argument excellent? Is it satisfactory? Does it need improvement? Or are parts of it missing? After you've taken the time to read your partner's draft, rate the evidence along these dimensions, then you'll get back together with your partner and you'll discuss the drafts. Both partners will take turns discussing the ratings before writing a second draft. In this discussion, you'll point out what was strong and what still needs developing. This will help both you and your partner understand how to make your argument stronger. Well, happy reading, be kind to one another, be truthful, and happy writing.